Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook ikan kembung masak kicap, or mackerel fish cooked in dark soy sauce. So let me just go through the ingredients with you guys. I have fried 3 mackerel fish, have some curry leaves, sliced onions, tomatoes, capsicum, carrot, ginger and garlic. And for the sauces, we need dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, cooking caramel, oyster sauce, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, and chili paste. Okay, first I'm going to add oil to the pan, about 2 tablespoons, and then followed by ginger, garlic and curry leaves. So I've added ginger, garlic and curry leaf and going to saute them well. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili paste. So now I'm going to add all the sauces. So first 5 tablespoons of cooking caramel, 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of salty soybean sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I'm adding 1 cup of water and going to mix them well. Now the sauce is cooked well, so I'm going to add all the veggies. So at this point, you can check for the salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm also adding half teaspoon of corn flour mixed with water so that the gravy is a bit thicker. The sauce is ready guys, so we can add the fish and give it a mix, and we are going to wait for another 2 minutes and then we can turn off the fire. It's done guys, so make sure you try this at home and let me know how it tastes in the comments down below. So until I meet you in my next video, bye guys.